Manjula and this is my husband Srinivas. We are from Kamam. He's an entrepreneur and I work for an international school in China. I've been living there for more than 10 years. So I worked there and then we came out purchasing a house here in Hyderabad. And then we were looking for the interiors. My son and daughter-in-law has found, they were just looking into some of the videos from the YouTube. So they found a video of the interior done by the LH. It was, if I'm not wrong, the client is from South Africa. And then when we have seen that particular video, we were a bit impressed with that because we have seen that it's not required that the client should be on the site when the work is going on. So, because for us it's not possible, because as I told you, we are from Kamam. My husband can't be here all the time, and I live in China, and my children, they are living in US. So we cannot be here all the time. So what we felt is this is the best choice to go with the LH. So then we just came into contact with the people just by looking, just by watching the video. And then we have, because of we are interested in the LH, we just went on looking into few videos which were on the YouTube, and then we have contacted the LH people. For us, basically, we wanted to go with light color shades. So if you see our house, you can hardly see the dark colors. So mostly we have gone with the light colors. So in the same way, of course, people know that women are mostly interested in the kitchen. So we tried to come out with a kitchen which we wanted to. So basically, we have given our requirement to the LH on how we need the kitchen, because previously when we have purchased this house, there was a wall here, and then the puja was almost all until this particular place. So then for us it was, we wanted the kitchen to be more spacious. So we have given our requirement to the LH team, and they have dismantled this particular wall and then made the kitchen a little bit look more spacious, with a breakfast counter as well. And we wanted more storage as well. That was our basic requirement, because we don't want anything outside. So we just asked for more storage, and according to our requirement, they have come out with what we are interested in. So putting everything, even including the electrical appliances, they have managed to put them inside. It looks good. It looks good. Yeah. Once the interior was almost all done, except for the painting work and the deep cleaning was left, we have understood that the crockery unit doesn't fit, or it's not according to what we really wanted to. Then we have spoke to the team, and of course to Imran sir and Ishaq sir as well. And then basically our crockery was like the wooden color, the wooden paneling kind of thing, but we felt that it is not appropriate. It doesn't look good, because the whole, as I told you, we wanted to go with the light shades, light colors. The theme was purely light, like the Italian theme, but it was completely different. Then we have requested them to change the color, but good that they just came up with something which fits with the other colors, and totally the crockery unit is completely changed, and it is now in the proper place. Basically, yes, we know because when before choosing LH, we have spoken to many people, to my husband's friends as well as my friends, my brother, because they were all done with their interior recently. So we have spoken to them, and what we have come to know is it was not that easier to handle with people. Basically, when things were happening until a particular point of time, but after that they were delayed, or sometimes even there are few things which were not completed or which were left incomplete, and few things were not addressed by the interior people. But what I have found with the LH is, of course, at the time, basically it was said that the designing time period will be 45 days, and then it will be 2.5 to 3 months. But of course, there was a delay in the project, but it's fine because my husband was here on and off to check how the things are going on, and then he was telling us that don't worry, everything will go well, because they are doing things. So it is not that they stopped doing. So every day there were people coming over here doing things. So we didn't push. Basically, from our side, we didn't push. We didn't ask them to hand it over to us immediately as soon as the 2 months or 2.5 months. So we have given a spare time of 1 month. And as I was going back to India by the end of January, then we have insisted them to finish it off, and yeah, it was finished by the end of January. It has taken a month more than what it was planned, but fine, we are happy because the final output matters a lot. It's not just whether it has been done on time or not. So the minute things were also taken care of, and few things which we have asked to change, or which we have found that when I came back, I have just checked few things, and then they are addressed and they are fixed. So of course we know that there will be a couple of things once we come in, we find few things. But one thing what I have found with the LH thing is they are addressing the concerns. If any problem is being addressed and it's being fixed. For me, I think because I have come to know from other people, they said that they had too many problems. But for me, I think I suggest LH to people, to my friends. I can suggest it to my friends and my family members as well, because basically I'm happy, and even my brother, my family, my friends came in and they said that it's really good, because end of the day the final output is important. So we are happy with it. It's good.
ఇంటీరియర్ వర్క్స్ గురించి పెద్దగా నాకు వర్క్ తెలవకపోయినా ఈ వర్క్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు నేను తెలుసుకున్న విషయాలు చాలా ఉన్నాయి. ఆ వర్క్ గురించి తెలవదు అనే భావన ఉన్నా కానీ వాళ్ళు ముందుకు పోయేటప్పుడు దాని గురించి అవగాహన తెలుస్తుంది. కాబట్టి దాని గురించి ఎవరు ఇబ్బంది పడాల్సిన అవసరం ఉండదు. దాన్ని బేస్ చేసుకొని మనం ఇంపార్టెంట్ వర్క్స్ ఎలా చేయించుకోవాలి ఏంటి అనేది వాళ్ళకి సజెషన్స్ ఇస్తే వాళ్ళు దాన్ని ముందుకు తీసుకుపోవడానికి సుముఖంగా ఉంటారని నాకు తెలిసిన విషయం.